y'all, what's cooking? My name is Chef Fred and welcome to our kitchen where I give you the best tips and skills for everyday cooking. Today we're going to make red velvet waffles with cream cheese icing. Today we're just going to use a red velvet cake mix. So we're going to put that in the mixing bowl and follow the directions on the box on how to make it. Then we're going to add our oil. And then it asks for water, but instead of water, I'm putting buttermilk, substituting buttermilk for the water to make it very decadent and delicious. And now we're going to add our eggs. And what I like to do is I like to crack my eggs in a separate bowl. That way if there's a shell in it, I can get it out without having to try to fish it out of the mixing bowl. Now let's take this over to the mixer and mix this for about 2 minutes. Okay, now while that's mixing, let's get our waffle iron and plug it up and get it heated up. And then we're going to give it a light little spray with the PAM, and then we're going to use about 3/4 of a cup. I put in a half a cup to kind of see how it fits in there, and then about half of that, so it ends up being about 3/4 of a cup going into this waffle iron. Now yours might be different depending on what size waffle iron you have, but for this one 3/4 works pretty good. And we're going to shut that and give it a little flip and let it go for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then it's going to be ready to come out. And doesn't that look beautiful? It is so decadent. And we're going to lift that out. Now you can let it stay in if you want it a little more crispier. You can let it cook a little more. Just be careful that you don't burn it. And then we got our red velvet waffles with cream cheese icing. For the cream cheese icing recipe, click on the YouTube card above now. Please share, like, and comment on this video. I read all the comments and try to respond to as many as I can. Until next time, cook something great, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.